When installing your car seat off base, you have two options. Using the European method, which is the preferred routing for the seatbelt, but if your vehicle seatbelt is not long enough to wrap around the car seat, simply take the vehicle seatbelt and pass it through the handles, buckle in the seatbelt, and then make sure both the lap and shoulder belt go through both clips on both sides of the car seat. The next step is to push down on the car seat and pull the shoulder strap so that the car seat is nice and snug in the car. Once the car seat is in nice and snug, pull the seatbelt all the way out of the retractor to engage the locking mechanism, allowing it to go back in, and then check again to make sure the car seat doesn't move more than 1 inch at the belt path.